Hello everyone and welcome to today's online class for class 10. In our previous class, we talked about the general concept how a metal reacts with dilute acid and produces its own salt of that particular metal and hydrogen gas along with its hydrogen gas liberates along with that. Now we are going to today discuss about how sodium metal as an example reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Now, the chemical reaction for this, the reaction of sodium with dilute HCl is follows as sodium in solid state reacts with dilute HCl. In short, dilute is written as DIL dot. Dil HCl, it's funnily is saying around, but actually it is dilute HCl. And it produces NaCl, sodium chloride salt, and hydrogen gas is liberated. Now to balance this thing, we are going to multiply it. I'm going to write this dilute here within parentheses. I'm going to multiply 2 with the 2HCl, and to multiply chlorine, I'm going to multiply 2 in this side. And to balance the sodium, I'm going to multiply 2 on the left hand side. Now this is the balanced chemical reaction that is follow when sodium is react with dilute hydrochloric acid. 2Na solid plus 2HCl dilute hydrochloric acid produces 2 molecules of NaCl in aqueous medium and hydrogen gas liberates. 1 molecule of hydrogen gas liberates. Sodium reacts with dilute HCl to produce its own sodium chloride salt and hydrogen gas liberates. This is the chemical reaction of sodium when it is reacting with dilute HCl producing sodium chloride and hydrogen gas. In this example, we have taken the same sodium metal, but we have changed the dilute acid in here. We are taking dilute hydrogen sulfate in here, dilute H2SO4 in here, and reacting that with the sodium metal. Let's see how the reaction pan out for this particular chemical reaction example. Now again, sodium in solid form will react with this H2SO4 in dilute condition. Now, we know that during this reaction of sodium with this dilute acid, its respective salt will produce. The hydrogen part of the acid always produces the hydrogen after the reaction, and the remaining part produces the salt of the acid by combining with the salt. So by combining sodium with this thing, sodium Na plus SO4 combines with SO4 2 minus. Therefore, the chemical reaction of the salt will be Na2SO4, sodium sulfate. So, sodium sulfate is going to form aqueous medium, and as a result, 2 hydrogen is there. one molecule of hydrogen gas is going to liberate. Now to balance this thing out, sodium is present 2 atom in the right hand side. To balance this thing out, we are going to multiply 2 on the left hand side with the sodium. This will give our complete balanced chemical reaction, in which 2 sodium in solid state reacting with dilute hydrochloric dilute H2SO4 and produces sodium sulfate Na2SO4 in aqueous medium, along with the liberation of hydrogen gas. Sodium metal reacts with dilute H2SO4 and produces sodium sulfate Na2SO4 and hydrogen gas liberates. In the next chemical reaction, we are going to discuss about the reaction of magnesium. At first we are going to discuss the reaction of magnesium with dilute HCl and see how the reaction happens. When magnesium in solid form reacts with HCl, dilute HCl, the hydrogen part of the hydrochloric acid produces the hydrogen, and the chloride part reacts with Cl minus, reacts with the ions of magnesium, that is Mg2 plus, magnesium cation, by interchanging. The salt that will be produced is magnesium chloride, MgCl2. This is the salt that is produced. MgCl2 in aqueous medium is produced and hydrogen gas liberates. Now hydrogen gas liberates with 2 atoms of hydrogen. In the left hand side only 1 atom is present. So to balance the both sides, we are going to multiply 2 with the HCl. Now in the left hand side, the chlorine becomes 2 atoms. On the right hand side, chlorine is already present 2 atoms. So automatically the chlorine also balances, and the magnesium is on the both sides present 1 atom. So this is actually our entirely balanced chemical reaction of magnesium when it is reacting with hydrochloric acid. Mg solid reacts with 2 HCl dilute condition, produces magnesium chloride, MgCl2 in aqueous medium, and hydrogen gas liberates. Magnesium reacts with dilute HCl and produces magnesium chloride, MgCl2 in aqueous medium, and hydrogen gas liberates.